Morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. Myself, Vanita, once again here with your science class. I think all of you are ready for your class. My dear students, winter is at the door. This season is the cold. Sometimes there is a problem of cough and cold. So protect yourself, use warm clothes and drink warm water. Don't don't use cold water. Keep safe all of you and do your work. And very soon Deepavali is coming, which is the festival of light. So at first complete your work, then you enjoy your festival. Dear students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is your water pollution. Already Neeta madam has started. Once again I am going to give the revision of this chapter. All of you know water, all of you are using water, but what is water pollution? So first question, what is pollution? So I am going to discuss about it. As you know, water is an important natural resource which is essential for all living beings. Earlier I have discussed about it, importance of water, and it is the natural resource. It means it is not man-made. Already it was present on the earth. And water is a habitat. Habitat means living place for many plants and animals. Many plants and animals live in water. It is essential for the survival of all plants and animals. We can't imagine our life without water. We have already learned that rain is the major source of water. Rainwater, when just form, is the purest form. As it reaches the surface of the earth, it usually becomes impure. This is because it dissolves not only some harmful gases present in the air but also has dust, smoke particles and germs getting mixed in it. Water containing impurities is called polluted water. The process which make water impure result in pollution of water. So as you know, rain, source of water on the earth is the rain. Rain is the purest form. It can be used without filtration. But when it reaches the surface of the earth, it becomes impure. Why? This is the question. Because it mixes the harmful gases which is present in the air. And when it reaches on the earth, dust, sand and particles, germs all are mixed with it, which make the water impure, and that impure water can't be used directly. So water containing impurities is called polluted water. When water is mixed with some impure substance, it becomes polluted and called polluted water. The process by which water becomes impure, it results in the water pollution. So once again, what is water pollution? It is given in the slide. My dear students, you can write about the water pollution with the help of this slide. All the answers about the water pollution is given. So you can write about it. Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of water. Bodies of water means lakes, river, sea, oceans. These all are the bodies of water, and it also includes groundwater. It occurs when pollutants reach these bodies of water without treatment. Waste from homes, factories and other buildings get into the water bodies, and it results the water gets contaminated. Means it is not for use. First it need purification of water. Contaminated water makes us ill. So we can't use such water. Water pollution result in the poor quality of water, and it is unfit for human beings as well as animals and aquatic plants and all the animals which live in the water. So I think, dear students, you have you have now the clear concept of water pollution. Now, what are the causes why it becomes polluted? Why it is not fit for drinking, as rain is the main source of water and it is the purest water, but it can't be used directly. Why? This is the main question. So I am going to explain about the cause of water pollution. As rainwater reaches river and lakes, it becomes more impure because sand and mud which is present on the earth mixes with it, and it makes the water impure. However, not only this, the sand and mud, some of the human activities means which we do, also increase the water pollution. These all are the picture of human activities which due to this water becomes impure, and you can see in this picture. Now, the next point, people throw domestic wastage in water. In this picture, you are seeing a boy. He is throwing all the domestic garbage from the dustbin into the water. This makes the water impure and which is not fit for any use. Waste materials and harmful chemicals from factories are often dumped in river water, which is given in the picture. All the waste material of the factories are dumping into the water, and it is making the water impure. Solid waste material from power plants may be thrown into the river water. You are seeing the picture of power plant, and just you are seeing that all the waste material, these all are coming and it is get mixed in water, and which is the cause of the water pollution. So these all human activities makes the water impure. Now water from drains and sewage also goes into the river, and it makes the water impure. These days farmers are using fertilizer to enrich the productivity and pesticides for killing the killing the pest which is harmful for the crops, and most of these chemicals flow into the lakes and mix with the water, and which make it impure. Oil spilled by tankers and oil wells pollutes or sea water. Sometimes oil tanker, due to leakage, oil mixes with the seawater and make it impure or pollute it. So these all are the factors which makes the water impure, and you can see it in the picture, and you can make your concept clear with the help of this picture also. Students, already I have completed the pollution, what is pollution, what are the causes of pollution? These two topics. Now, the next topic is what are the effects of water pollution in all the animals. So, water pollution has many harmful effects. The following harmful effects are given below. Poisonous chemicals from factories kill marine animals. Which poisonous chemicals which you have seen in the picture, which mixes with the water and it kill all the marine animals, means aquatic animals, and because they make the water impure, and such type of water when aquatic animals use, they can lose their life. Next, industrials and agriculture waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water, and this can reduce the supply of oxygen for the aquatic animals. As you know, aquatic animals are living in the water. When industrial and agricultural waste mixes with the water, they increase the growth of microorganisms. Microorganisms are those organisms which you can't see with the naked eye. When these organisms increase in the water, they take the oxygen, and there is a scarcity of oxygen for the aquatic animals. Due to a scarcity of oxygen, the aquatic animals can die. Now, while spills form from a cover on the surface of water, this cuts off the supply of oxygen living underwater. So when while scattered on the surface of the water, it reduces the supply of oxygen from the environment, and aquatic animals can't take oxygen, and due to unavailability of the oxygen, aquatic animals can die. So these all are the effects of water pollution on animals. Next, aquatic plants and animals get infected by polluted water. When other animals eat these infected animals or plants, they also become sick. Due to pollution, all the aquatic animals are using this water, and when such animals, such infected animals are taken by other animals, those animals also become sick. Some people use river or pond water for drinking, and when it is polluted and when they take such water, the people also become ill and may cause different types of diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera, and jaundice. These all are the diseases which can cause due to the uh, taking of polluted water. When polluted water is used for agriculture, there is a loss of fertility, and they reduce the crops, and crops get damaged due to the polluted water. Some of these waterborne diseases are typhoid, cholera, paratyphoid, fever, dysentery, jaundice, amoebiasis, and malaria. Chemicals in the water also have negative effects on our health. Pesticides can damage the nervous system and can cause cancer because of the carbonates and organophosphates that they contain. I have given this slide. These all are the health problem due to the water pollution. You are saying diarrhea. What is diarrhea? Vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria. These all are the type of disease which can cause due to the water pollution. Next topic, prevention of water pollution. It means how can you check the water pollution? We have learned about different activities that can cause water pollution. Now, there are some steps which can prevent it. These are the given below. First, wastage from factories and powerhouses. It should not be allowed directly to flow into the water. If they will not flow in water, then water will not get impure. Pipes carrying sewage should be kept away from the pipe carrying drinking water. These both pipe should be get separated. It can check the pollution of water. Water from drains or sewage should not be allowed to enter into well or river. People should not wash clothes or use soap if they bath in the river. The use of chemical fertilizers should be minimized in the field. Instead, natural manures should be used. All of us are a part of society, so this is the responsibility of every citizen to keep our surrounding clean and disease free and check the pollution of the environment and make the environment green. Students, now I am going to summarize about the water pollution with the help of some pictures which are given in the slide. Now enjoy the next slide. Students, these are the slides pictures of sources and effects of water pollution. With the help of this picture, you can make easy all the topics. Read these topics and with the draw it. This will make your concept clear. That is sewage and domestic waste. These are all the sources of water pollution. Industrial wastage, insecticides, pesticides, detergents which we are using at home, fertilization, thermal pollution, radioactive material, siltation. These all are the sources of water pollution. Students, you can see the effects of water pollution within this picture. One plastic bottle can survive up to 450 years in the ocean. Now think how many years it will be the water will be polluted with the help of this plastic bottle. So we should not use plastic bottle because one plastic bottle will make the water impure till 450 years. So don't use the plastic bottle. Animals can get caught in garbage or even try to eat it. Water pollution can drastically change or even destroy the ecosystem. Heavy metals accumulate in water sources, make the water toxic. Toxic means which is not fit for drinking. And swimming in contaminated water can cause different type of skin problem. Means if the water is polluted and you are swimming in this water, you can suffer from the skin disease. And sometimes when you throw the water bottle, plastic bottles in the water, it can be taken by aquatic animals and they can destroy their life. So these all are the effect of water pollution. So we should not pollute the water. We should take proper steps to check the or to stop the water pollution. Dear students, already I have explained the chapter. So first you go through the chapter and then all of you will start your classwork. Your first work is fill in the blanks. Answers of the fill in the blanks is given here. With the help of these answers, you can complete the classwork. First one, dash is the purest form of water. Answer is rain. Water containing impurities is called polluted water. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides which is used by farmer can cause water pollution. Drinking polluted water can cause disease like diarrhea and jaundice. Factories and agricultural waste increase the growth of microorganisms in water. Next is true and false. Which one is true? Write true. And which one is false? Write false. River water is the purest form of water. No, this is the wrong statement. So it is false. Polluted water may contain dust, germs and smoke. Yes, this is the true statement. Throwing domestic waste in rivers can cause water pollution. Yes, domestic wastage are polluting the water. This is the factor of pollution. So it is true. Increased growth of microorganisms in water increases the amount of oxygen for aquatic animals. No, microorganisms always reduces the amount of oxygen. So it is a false statement. Use of chemical fertilizers helps in preventing water pollution. No, chemical fertilizer always makes the water impure. So it is false statement. Next, tick the correct option. A disease that may be caused by drinking polluted water, that is cholera. Due to polluted water, cholera is the disease which is caused by polluted water. Polluted water should not be used for irrigation because it reduces fertility of the soil. Oil spills in the sea are harmful because it cuts off the supply of oxygen. Pollution of river water can be reduced if people will not wash clothes or bath their cattle in rivers. Dear students, now question D. Answer the following questions in brief. Name any two materials which can make rainwater impure. Two materials which can make rainwater impure are dust, sand. Name any two human activities which can cause water pollution. Two human activities which can cause water pollution are washing of clothes in river, throw off domestic wastage in river. Next, which two pollutants are often dumped by factories into the river? Two pollutants that are often dumped by the factories into the river are chemicals and solid waste materials. Name any two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water. Two diseases that may be caused by drinking polluted water are cholera and typhoid. Next, write the name of that type of materials used by farmers to increase the production of crops. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are two materials used by farmers to increase the production of crops. These all are, dear students. Now it's the time of homework. I think concept is clear and classwork already I have given you. These all are the questions. First you read the chapter and try to do the question yourself and make the PDF, then you send to it on the WhatsApp. First question, how do wastage from factories and fields affect the aquatic animals? Next, how can polluted water affect the crops? Why are oil spills harmful for marine life? Fourth one, state any four effects of water pollution. Fifth one, what are the ways of reducing water pollution? All the answers are given in the chapter. You go through the chapter 2 times, 3 times, read the chapter and then try to find out the answers. You can get it and you can do it. So be ready for your classwork and homework. It's all about the chapter of water pollution. Now, okay, have a nice day.